Hey there, budding artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're continuing our fall drawing series with a super cute and cozy hot chocolate mug. Get your art supplies ready because we're about to embark on a sweet chocolatey adventure. We'll begin by creating a hot chocolate masterpiece. Imagine marshmallows playfully dipping into the rich chocolatey sea. The chocolate splashes in playful arcs as it embraces those fluffy marshmallows. Some of it even drips down the sides of our big, round mug, forming a deliciously tempting border, decorated with charming leaves. And speaking of tempting, let's make sure the milk inside the mug is steamy hot, ready to warm our hearts on a crisp fall day. But the fun doesn't stop there. Let's include a wafer, a chocolate stick, and a chocolate bar perched on the brink of the mug, ready to take the plunge into this chocolatey wonderland. To add a touch of whimsy, let's sprinkle even more marshmallows on top, as if they're excitedly jumping into the mug. To complete our drawing, let's add a couple of chocolate pieces on both sides of the mug, framing our sweet creation beautifully. Now, let's dive into coloring. Make the cup a warm yellow. Reminiscent of the vibrant fall colors. Add a playful turquoise border to make it pop. The chocolate should be a rich, mouth-watering brown. The marshmallows can be as pink as cotton candy, or any color you like. I hope you had a blast creating your own hot chocolate mug filled with playful details. If you enjoyed this fall-inspired drawing and want more creative tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art by clicking that big red subscribe button below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up.